Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatrian Fabian. I am from class management 23A. Here I will explain about effective manager understand organization behavior. And the first material, organization behavior. Organization behavior is a file that examines how input and group and behavior within organization context. An effective manager is not only understand for structure and but also the psychological and social dynamic that influence that performance in modern complex organization. They in interaction between people, technology, and more system creates and unique challenges. Therefore, understanding organization behavior is crucial for managing conflict and encouraging collaboration and creating a productive work environment. Without this understanding, managerial and decision and the poorly technological and overlooked. Next materi, individual behavior in organization. Individual behavior in organization is influenced by various psychological factors such as perception, motivation, personality, and emotionally and intelligence. Each individual and situation judgment and respond and uniquely to the work environment. An effective manager must be able to recognize task difference to manage their life optimal. Intrinsic motivation such as job satisfaction is often more sustainable than extrinsic motivation like financial incentive, and additional emotional and intelligence is critical skill by building healthy working and relationship. And by understanding individual behavior, manager can enhance both performance and employee value. And next materi, group dynamic and team behavior. In organization must work in carried out in team, making the understanding of group dynamic essential as group develop role, norms, and interaction pattern influence its performance. Cohesion can improve productivity, but if not managed properly, and it might lead to drifting on the other end. Conflict is not always negative when managed constructively and can simulate innovation. Issues such as social loving where individual action, respect group setting also preference challenge for manager. Understanding the dynamic enable manager to build effective and adaptive trend. Next materi, leadership and power dynamic. Leadership in the context of organization behavior extends beyond the formal authority to ability to influence others. Effective manager understand that to not single leadership style fit all situation making and situational approach not entry. Additionally, the use of power must be handled carefully to avoid and resistant influence based on the truth and legitimacy is far more effective than relying solely on authority. In modern workplace, employees tend to respond better to leaders who are transparent and authentic. For understanding for dynamic and leadership is essential for managing organization effectively. And next materi, organization culture and change. Organization culture consists and share value and norms that shape how individuals behave within organization. A strong culture can become a competitive advantage by like action, decision, and power. It can also become barrier to change. Is to right effective manager must understand and manage organization culture, especially during periods of change. Resistance to change often stem not from rejection and of ideals but from decision from with uncertainty. Therefore, it's important communication the vision for change clearly and involve employees in the process to ensure smooth transition. And next materi, decision making and behavior bias. Decision making in the organization often highly rational due limited information and 5 bias, the concept of bound rationally explain that individual making decisions based on the limited knowledge and cognitive capacity bias such as information bias and arbitrary can lead to suboptimal decision. Effective manager must recognize and the bias and balance them with data-driven approach. Our intelligence and still important role essential complex and understand situation a combination and intuition and data analysis essential for making better decision. And the next material conclusion. Understanding organization behavior is a core competency for effective manager. Organization behavior enable manager to view organization not just as structural system but as collection individual with complex motivation and behavior. And the human centered approach allow manager to create more productive and adaptive environment and more integrated physical and strategy aspect is the essential for addressing modern organization challenge by deeply understanding and organization behavior manager can make better decision and build well organization.